I want to show you how to remove suction cup marks off of the glass along with other things. Let's get started. To get started, you're going to need some of this Sparkle Glass Cleaner. This is made by a company called C.R. Lawrence. The catalog number is SP101. You can get this through Amazon. The manufacturer of this product does not wholesale to the public, so as far as I know, as the date of this video, you can only get this through Amazon. Next, you're going to want to get some Mr. Clean's magic erasers or some various terry cloth towels. Next, you may want to get some ammonia-free glass cleaner. I happen to like this stuff because I can get it at my local Costco, but this works relatively well. Just make sure it's ammonia-free. And we're going to need some paper towels. A lot of times I have people say that the suction cup marks are in between the glass. I assure you, I have never seen that in my 23 plus years of working with Marvin. It's always been on either the interior or the exterior, and sometimes people will even tell me that they've had them professionally cleaned. Professional window washers basically just use a strip kit and a squeegee, so they just wipe the surface of the glass off and just clean it with a squeegee. What I'm going to show you is going to be a little bit more in depth than that. It's going to take a little bit more elbow grease, but this glass will come clean, and it is not a defect in the glass. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Some have reported that you only see the suction cup marks at night or when it's wet outside. I got a little trick for that. Most people may have a steam iron or a clothes steamer in their house, and they can simulate what we're going to do. So I'm putting some steam on the glass so you can kind of see the suction cup mark. Hopefully you can see that in the video, but there's a mark, suction cup mark there. Other times I get reports, sometimes you can see the outline of a label. And hopefully you can see that here, and we'll get those cleaned off. So hopefully you can see here in my light, this is the outline of a label, and that's what we're going to go ahead and try to remove that as well. So first we want to clean any dirt off the glass. So when we clean the glass with the Sparkle Glass Cleaner, we don't get any dirt that's on there to scratch the glass. So even though we just cleaned the glass and you don't see the suction cup mark now, watch what happens when we put some steam on it. So now we still see the suction cup mark. It just looks like it's on clean glass. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to shake this up really good. And if it's been sitting for a long time, you may want to take the top off, put a screwdriver in there and stir it up. Sometimes the heavy solids go to the very bottom. Now we're going to take some, we either put it on a towel, or I like to use Mr. Clean's magic eraser. Let's put some on there. And then we're going to clean the glass. Now, this is not like you're just going to rub it on. You're scrubbing on this like you're trying to get tar off of your car. So in essence, you're basically going to be polishing the glass. And this will also get rid of a lot of hard water spots as well. As you can see, it kind of dries like an automotive wax does, and you're just going to go ahead and wipe all this off. As you can see, you no longer see the suction cup marks. Although you can see where I missed around these edges here. But definitely all gone. Let's see if we can get rid of that label outline on this side now. First, we're going to go ahead and use our glass cleaner. And look how you can almost see how it repelled, where you can see the outline of that sticker. Now I'm going to show you, even after we clean the glass and we steam it, you'll still see the outline of the sticker. Hopefully you can see that in the camera right there. So now we'll go ahead and use the Sparkle Glass Cleaner. We'll steam the glass to see if we can see the sticker outline. Hopefully you can see that well. You can see that it's gone. You can see where I missed at the very bottom here. Let me grab the camera and go around so you can kind of see it here from the other side. So looking in the lights, hopefully you can still see it. You can see the outline of the sticker, but you can see where I rubbed. It's nice and clean. That was relatively simple. Some people ask me, it seems like after they clean their windows, just like a day or two later, it looks like it's dirty all over again. Will this solve that problem? Yes, it will. How often do you have to do it? Primarily just after construction, because it seems that any off-gassing during construction from like solvents, glues, paint, and everything loves to stick to glass. So by getting all that off of there, it'll make your glass look great. Be mindful with the sparkle and try not to get it on the clad. You saw how I got some on there. No big deal because I wasn't rubbing on, but if you take sparkle and you're sitting there rubbing on it, yeah, you're going to start taking some paint off or dull or lighten the finish there. So be mindful of that. Well, I hope this video helps you out. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button and that helps me out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.